So pack your legs and throw your keys up. Take a round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor now. Woo. One step to the right, we head into the dive bar. We always go with nice. Ooh, run me to the left and spin me in the middle, boy. I can't read your mind. This ain't Texas, ain't no hold'em. Lay our cards down, 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 down. So pack your legs and throw your keys up. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real live boogie and a real live hold down. Don't be a bitch. There's a heat wave coming at us. So I can think straight. So pack your legs and throw your keys up. Take a round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Kare, and I'm back with another interesting vlog. On today's episode, it's sort of different. Yeah, it's been long since I was on a vacation, and guess what, guys? Since it's my birthday month, we decided to come and celebrate it here again. Ndio tunamalizia malizia, you know, it's my birthday month, full month yote ni yangu. So guys, stay tuned, just relax. Today, yeah. So guys, I'm here with my best friend Raquel. You all know her, and on this video I'm going to show you around the hotel and our room. Yeah, so keep it locked in here. We are in Kilifi, guys. It's my first time being in Kilifi, and we are in a good hotel. It's called Sun and Sand. Yeah, it's one of the best hotels here. So, you know, good vibes, yeah, all the way. So keep it locked in here. Thank you for your continued support, guys. Guys, this hotel, it's so clean. It's giving. Only two views. So this is the entrance. Yeah. There's Raquel. Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Fine, thank you. Just arrived.
How is your morning?
My morning, it's great.
Waking up from a different town.
And it's sunny here.
I know. We just escaped the Eldoret weather. Guys, this place is so good. So ndo tuna check in, guys. So keep it locked in here. Later on nitaonyesha around the hotel, alafu nitaonyesha our room. So keep it locked.
Wanna see your body on mine and collide.
Waking up, she on it. Good love in the morning. Get on top, my cojones. I pledge to you for the moment. This don't come with no warranty. You want it but can't afford it. My world is different than yours. Your opinion of me is glory. Glorifying in all these forms. Back to Future and DeLorean. You ain't used to feeling this important. Cars imported, girls imported. Insubordinate, get deported. Baby, check my inventory.
Day one. I'm just doing that. Yeah. So this is my outfit of the day. Yeah. These are sandals. And I'm carrying this bag. Yeah. Going to the shack. Carrying this bag. Wearing this earring. I have Moana clip here. This dress. And wearing these sandals. Yep guys, so keep it locked tukionyesha around. Yeah, na mtu follow pale Instagram, we'll be posting those pictures. Yeah, so keep it locked guys. One thing sikuambia ni that tuko kwa beachfront hotel. Yeah, so we can view the beach from here. Yeah, napo ndo nawapeleka saizi. Yeah, so onini tumekuna kapo.
No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I was more than you could manage. Yeah. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me. Oh, give me these stars. Promise that you won't let me fall. That I can have this moment tonight. You could do it. You could do it. No one without me and who I inspire. I get what I desire. It's my empire. And yes, I call the shots. I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment, I bring. Put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring. And I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ. Me, but I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me. Grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't faze me.
5:30 here. Tunaenda kwa beach. Yeah, yani
Utaanguka chini.
Okay. So guys, tunaenda kwa beach. Yeah, cause hatuko tumeenda the whole time cause maji ilikuwa imeenda. So there is the perfect time.
Telling me that you're really about it, what you're hiding. Talk is cheap, so show me that you understand I like it. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body. If I give you my time, can you snatch my soul from it? I don't wanna wait. I'm taking, take me where I ain't been before. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body, whole body. Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water. Hopefully, we can last all night, don't get too excited. Privacy. We gotta go nowhere, you can stay inside it. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body. If I give you my time, can you snatch my soul from it? I don't wanna wait. I'm taking, take me where I ain't been before. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body, whole body. Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water.
Good morning, my people. So it's a bright new morning. Yeah, it's day 2 here in Mombasa. Yeah, so leo tuko hapa kwa beach. Yeah, we're just strolling nini take photos. Yeah, so kindly keep it locked. This is my outfit of the day, of the morning. Keep it locked in here.
Wow.
Say hi.
Hi.
Unatafuta nini?
Shell, ona iko na gold. Ona kare.
Yeah.
Na kama marble.
Wow. It is so cute. Guys, tunaona mashells hapa. Yeah. Maji iko almost inaenda, but
Uliona? Kuna video nyingine pale TikTok. Walikuwa wanafanya ati watu wakikuwa kwa beach ati sasa unaona kama shell ati find a shell yenye inaniresemble.
real?
Na kitu haiko na dudu.
Be careful.
Sasa una find yenye like almost similar to your eyes.
For real? Tufanye hiyo
Kama
chase
kama
chase hiyo game basi. Guys,
Itabidi ni kuangalia.
let's play that. Hata mimi sijai kuangalia.
Water. Looking at the same Starbucks. About to make this shit happen. Spanish girl mixed with Creole. She always tell me I'm an asshole. Tennis on my neck like I'm Big 4. 550 Willian.
Guys, I'm just from swimming. Actually, it's been long since I swim because when the Eldoret haikuwa ina allow mtu kuswim. Oh my god, I had missed swimming, yeah. Woohoo, the weather, guys. Stay tuned for more.
All these girls on my tattoos. I ain't up. Burning deeply inside. First time, long time, long time. Burning deeply inside. First time, long time. First time in a long time. Burning.